So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a Bybit account. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So here in your Bybit, all you have to do is locate your sign up or login. You can do it by going to the top left corner and you will have rewards as well. So you'll have 10 USDT deposit with 100 USDT, and you can also have 15 USDT as you sign up. So when you sign up, you can do this. So here, you want to place your email or password and a referral code if optional. So basically, you can also do a mobile number depending on where you live on. So here, let's see. You can also sign in with your Google account or your Apple ID. So it's just that simple. So once you signed in, it's just going to be a sign in and then you'll have to verify later. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.